Hello student, today we are going to study the structure of atmosphere. Scientists have divided the atmosphere into five major layers. This division is based largely on temperature variation observed in the atmosphere with height. The layers are the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the ionosphere, and exosphere. First, we will study the troposphere. Troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. In this layer, temperature falls with height. Temperature decreases at a rate of 1 degree centigrade for every 165 meter ascent. This decrease in temperature with increase in altitude is known as lapse rate. Troposphere is the densest layer of the atmosphere. Three-fourths of the atmosphere is found within 11 kilometers of the surface of the earth, including most of the oxygen we need to breathe. The average thickness of troposphere is 13 km. Thickness varies about 8 km at poles to 18 km near equator. Troposphere is also known as a weather making zone. All the physical process of weather like wind, clouds, storms, rainfall, mist, fog, and hails occur here. The upper limit of troposphere is called tropospause. Now we will discuss the second layer of the atmosphere. This layer is just above troposphere. It extends up to 50 km. Here the temperature is constant for few kilometers to begin with. Then it rises gradually. It is clear and dry zone in which largely devoid of weather phenomena. There are no clouds here, no storms. These factors make it ideal for jet planes to fly. The lower part of the atmosphere, between the altitude of 15 to 30 km, there is a thin layer of gas ozone. Ozone plays a very important role in observing harmful ultraviolet rays. The ozone layer is being destroyed by release of chlorofluorocarbons into the atmosphere. Chlorofluorocarbons is a valuable industrial chemical which is used in refrigerators, home insulation, plastic foams, and containers. The jet plane fly in the atmosphere also release chlorofluorocarbon. The efforts are being made globally to reduce the use of chlorofluorocarbon. The upper limit of stratosphere is called stratosphere. Now we discuss mesosphere. The third layer of atmosphere is called mesosphere. It lies above stratosphere. It extends around 50 to 80 km. In mesosphere, temperature starts decreasing once more. Meteorites, rock fragments traveling in space burns up when they pass through this part of atmosphere. Some meteorites survive their journey through atmosphere and they strike the surface of the earth. They are called meteorites. The upper limit of mesosphere is called mesopause. Now we discuss the thermosphere. Thermosphere is the part of atmosphere that lies beyond mesosphere. It can be divided into two layers, ionosphere and exosphere. Ionosphere is the lower part of thermosphere. It lies above mesosphere. It extends from 80 to 640 km. Temperature rises sharply here. The ultraviolet radiation from the sun breaks the gas molecule in this layer into electrically charged ion. Therefore, ionosphere is full of electrically charged ions which enables wireless transmission. Radio waves are transmitted from the earth or reflected back to earth by these ions. The upper limit of ionosphere is called ionopause. The last layer is exosphere. Exosphere lies beyond the ionosphere and is the uppermost layer of thermosphere. The upper limit of exosphere is difficult to determine. It merges with interplanetary space. Temperature here is estimated to be beyond 5500 centigrade. The air is very thin here and density is very low. Only the lighter gas like helium and hydrogen are found here. Thank you very much.